created, purchase account is debited. Okay. So purchases account is debited. Now look here. This is purchase account, purchase of goods. It is debited, means you have to write on the left hand side. So you have to write two, date is 2000. How much amount? Amount. Let me know amount.
6,000.
6,000. So write amount first.
6,000.
So 6,000 record on the debit side. First record 6,000. Then you write the date 2016. What is July? Kada? July. What is the date? July
5th.
5th. July
Fifth, sir.
5. July 5th. To, I am not drawing the lines, but it
Shankar's
will,
account.
to Shankar's account. Shankar's account 6,000. So that is debited. So purchase of goods account was debited. So debited. That's it, is over. Next one. When you are the word
July
purchase,
9th.
July 9th, sir.
July 9th, purchase of goods account is debited. Okay.
To
What is
cash account.
Purchases account
cash?
debtor to
How much
cash account.
amount?
2,000.
2,000,
So
sir.
2,000 is debited. Purchase of goods account is debited with rupees 2,000 on date is
July
to
9th.
July 9 to cash account. That's it. That's it. It's posted. Next one. Purchase of goods. And when it
July
happened?
15th.
July.
15th July.
July.
July 15th,
What is
sir.
the entry?
Purchase
Purchases account debtor.
Purchases account debtor to Arish.
To Rajesh.
Naresh
Naresh.
account.
Naresh. Naresh.
Naresh,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So amount how much?
10,000.
So 10,000 right in the amount column.
10,000.
So purchase of goods account is debited with rupees 10,000 on date 15th. 15th
Yes, sir. 15th.
to Naresh account. Naresh
2,000.
Naresh account 10,000. This is purchase of goods account debtor to Naresh account. This is the way you have to write. That's 10,000 recorded. Next one.
July
29th.
29th, sir.
29th. Sundar account.
July 29th. July 29, you have purchased goods from
Sundar.
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 So, how much?
4,000.
4,000.
Yes, 4,000. Entry is purchase of goods account was debited with rupees 4,000 from Sundar to Sundar account. Sundar's account 4,000. So that is the entry is purchase of goods account debtor to Sundar's account 4,000. Next is over.
That's it, sir.
That's it. So now, what does it mean? A purchase of goods were purchased 4 times. Purchase of goods means goods comes in. Comes in is debited. So all 4 times goods comes in. So it is debited. It is a matter of common sense. If you apply the rules of debit and credit, it is a real account. Purchase of goods, technically it is a expenditure also. Then purchase of goods account 4 times received. What the total received is 22,000 is total goods purchase totally. So right on the credit side also, same 22,000, the total credit side is 0, no balance, 22,000. So write 22,000 both the sides. At the end of the July, the gap difference is 22,000 because debit total is 22,000. Credit total, there is no entry, it is 0. 22,000 minus 0 is equal to, the gap is 22,000. This is called by balance carried down. Shortage, which side is short, that is recorded. Balance carried down. Now it becomes total 22,000. When we do, any day you can do it, but I am assuming we are closing the books on 2016 July last day 31st. July 31st. Up to July 31st, total purchase are 22,000. There is nothing was on the credit side. The total 22,000 is the balance of the account. balance carried to next month. This will come to the next month. After 31st July, next date will be August. August 1st, two balance brought down is rupees 22,000. This is again. So next month, you look here. Next month also we purchase. August also we purchase. You write here debit side we write all. Then 22 plus August purchases. It will go to September. Then goes to October, November, December. When it comes to last day, 31st March, we'll get the total purchases that will carry to the trial balance. Anyhow, now I am stopping here, only 1 month transactions. So this is over. So what is purchase account showing what balance now? Tell me. Purchase account showing what balance?
22.
Debit balance.
Debit or credit balance?
Debit balance, sir.
Why?
Debit balance.
Which side totally?
Because debit is more than credit.
Which side is, I told you, which side totally is more, that is the balance of the account. This is totally is more on the debit side. It is 22,000 a debit balance. So in trial balance, it will appear in the debit column. Purchases, we write this 22,000 in trial balance on debit column. Next one, purchase, sale of goods, next account, last one. Sale of goods account. I hope you write the columns మీరు రాసుకోండి ఇంటి దగ్గర నీట్ గా స్కేల్ తో కొట్టేసి సేల్ ఆఫ్ గూడ్స్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ అండ్ క్రెడిట్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ నౌ టెల్ మీ సేల్ ఆఫ్ గూడ్స్ అనేది wherever the word sale of goods word appears we have to ledger
July
post in
7th.
July 7th, sir.
July
7th.
sale of goods debited or
By
credited
cash account.
Cash account debtor to sales account.
July 7th, goods were sold. The entry is cash account debtor to sales account, sale of goods account. Sale of goods account debited or credited? So
Credited.
write on the credit side. When you say it is credited, write on the credit side. When you say that account is debited, write on the left hand side. So how much amount?
8,000.
8,000. 8,000. Date is 2016 July. Date is July 8th.
7th, sir.
July 7th by cash account. Suppose you want to read that entry cash account debtor to sale of goods account. If you want to read the entries on the credit side, cash account debtor 8,000 to sale of goods account 8,000. That's it. Is over. On 7th, we have purchased for, we have sold for 8,000 for cash. Next one. Cheppamma.
Cash account.
July 17th, sir.
July 17. Entry is
Ramesh account.
Ramesh account debtor to sales account.
Ramesh account is debited, sales account is credited. So 17th July, so amount is
12,000.
12,000.
12,000 is credited. Sale of goods account is credited with rupees 12,000 by Ramesh kada vaadi peru? Ramesh
Yes, sir.
Ramesh account 12,000. Okay. Ramesh account it is 12,000 is over. Next one.
Ravi account debtor
July
to sales of
July
goods.
27th, sir.
July 27. Entry is what is
Sales
entry?
return
Sales,
to
sales returns is a separate
sales
account.
of goods account data to
July
Ramesh
30.
account.
July 30.
No, Papa. Sale
July
of goods,
30, sir.
sale of goods is different. Sales returns is different. Don't combine. It is a separate account. Sales returns separate account. Purchase returns also separate account. Don't combine with purchases. It is a separate account. Make password
Sir,
come.
July 28th, sir.
July 28th. What is the entry?
Sales account debtor to cash account.
The salary is not sales.
Maybe
Date salaries account.
సార్ నెక్స్ట్ జూలై 30 ఉంది సార్.
Sir, July 30, sales account credit to Ravi account.
Ravi account to sale of
Account debtor to sales account.
July 30 transaction, sir.
Sales, it is on 30th
July 30 credited, sir.
We have purchased goods from Ravi for 8,000. The entry is Ravi account data to sales account by Ravi's account rupees 5,000. Date is on 30th 30 by Ravi's account. It means we have purchased goods we sold goods for in this month, in July month, we sold goods for 3 times. So all sales made during the year brought at one place. All sales made during the month of July are brought at one place to know the aggregate sales of the business for the month of July. So it is over. Now what is the total?
25,000, sir.
So total is, which side is more? That you have to make it. 25,000 is your sales. 25,000 is your sales. So you bring the 25,000 on both the sides. Debit side is 0. There are no other entries. So it is 0 on the debit side. The total balance here is 25,000 only. Because if you total it, it must get the same sum. So this is called balance. To balance carried the CD, carried down to the next month and next carried. It is on 2016 July 31st, last day of the month, carried to the next month. July following month is 2016 August 1st by balance brought down, you right, brought down 25,000. This 25,000. That's it. So sale of goods account now showing a credit balance of rupees 25,000. Why credit balance? The credit side of the sale of goods account is more, hence it is a credit balance. Yesterday I told you plus 40 minus 20, how to derive the value like that. Next one.
Sir, some
tell me.
students cannot able to join the class.
That is college office is monitoring. The reason is you must join within the time. If time lapses, they may give 5 to 10 minutes or so time. Within that time, you must join. Otherwise, it is not possible. They may not allow you to join. That's it. This is a control made by the college office. It is not in my hands. That's it. Next one.
Sir, answer to Sham sir, sir.
Okay, which one?
Sham sir, you can say Sham sir.
I am not able.
Admin.
Admin has to admit you. That's it. It is not in my.
Yes, sir. One say to admin, sir.
No, I can't say because I am in the classroom. Admin is in the office. It's a long distance. Tomorrow, learn from your friends. Otherwise, learn from your friends or be regular to the class. Next one. So now I prepare Shankar's account. For the sake of simplicity, I will prepare certain accounts. Only a few accounts I will prepare. Shankar's account. So take Shankar's account. Shankar is a Shankar's account, debit and credit. So now tell me, because all accounts I don't prepare, but some accounts which I am selecting to make you understand certain issues. Now it is Shankar's account is a personal account, Kadra. Shankar's account is a personal account, right? So personal account, what is the rule? What is the debit credit rule?
Debit the receiver, credit
Debit the receiver.
Same.
Credit the giver.
Same reflect here. Now tell me, wherever in the problem, wherever the Shankar word is, Shankar account is referred, tell me.
July 5th. July 5th, purchase account to Shankar account.
July 5th, sir.
Purchases account that are to Shankar's account. Shankar's account debited or credited?
Credited.
Credit. So write on the
Credited.
Credit side. How much amount?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000 is Shankar's account is credited with rupees 6,000. Followed. Shankar's account is credited with rupees 6,000. Is over. Date on what date it happened? It happened on 2016 July 5th or 6th? 5th.
Fifth.
July ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. 5th.
5th, sir.
It is also available there. Purchase లో కూడా ఉంది చూడండి. Purchase account, Shankar account is recorded. In Shankar account, purchase are recorded. Followed. Vice versa. By purchases.
Sir, can you please move the camera, sir?
That's it.
To the opposite side, sir. Opposite side.
No. It is visible now. For me, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
I can see. Now, next one. By purchases account.
July 16th, sir.
July 16. What is the July 16?
Account debtor to cash account.
Now tell me one thing. In this entry, Shankar is giver or receiver? Shankar is
Giver.
Giver, sir.
giver account.
Giver, sir.
His account is to be debited or credited?
Credited.
Credited, sir.
So we have created. Be careful. This is how you are applying the rule. Followed. Shankar is the benefit giver. His account is created. And it is payable. 6,000 is payable to Shankar. He is our creditor. He is our creditor. Supplier of the goods. We did not pay cash. 6,000 is due as of now on that day. Now next what happened? Shankar student ekkada vachindi next. Shankar account.
Being cash paid to Shankar.
16th, sir.
16th we have paid cash to Shankar. What is the entry? Shankar account is
Shankar
debited.
account.
Right? Shankar account is debited. So now
Debited.
Shankar account is debited with rupees. With rupees 4,000. Right. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు బ్యాలెన్స్ చూడండి 6,000 payable, 4,000 paid. Balance will be 2,000.
2,000.
Still due. That's it. That's the meaning. Personal accounts, all transactions relating to Shankar are brought at one place. Brought at one place. It happened on 2016 July 16th or July
Yes, sir.
July 16th. So entry is Shankar account debtor to cash account. Shankar account debtor to, we have paid cash to Shankar 4,000. Next one చూడరా ఇంకా శంకర్కి ఏమైంది? Purchase returns are there on 20th. 20th చూడండి 20. Goods returned to Shankar. Goods returned to Shankar. How much? 700. What is the entry you have recorded there? Shankar account.
Shankar account debtor to purchases returns account.
Okay. Shankar
Debited.
account to debited with rupees 700. First write the amount. I am telling you repeatedly. Write the amount. First 700 debited. Shankar account is debited with rupees 700 on July 20th to purchase returns account. Purchase returns account. Purchase returns account rupees 700. Okay, 700 recorded. So is there any transaction pertaining to Shankar in this problem? Only it was used 3
That's it,
times.
sir.
That's it. 3 times. So now I am closing this account at the end of July 31st. We are closing the account. Which side is more? Tell me. Which side is more?
Credit side.
Credit
It's a
side.
credit balance.
Now write 6,000 on the credit side is total is more. The same you have to write on debit side also 6,000. What is the gap? 1,300 is gap, shortage. Which side is less? Debit side is less by 1,300. If you write that balance, it must be 6,000. So 6,000 is credit balance. 4,700 is debit balance. The gap is 300. So this is called balance carried down, CD. So date is 31st July 2, not space లేదు రాసుకోండి. 2 balance carried down. It will be the opening balance for the next month. It is August. Next month after July 31st, next date is August 1st. By balance brought down 1,300. How you have to interpret this on, suppose example I am telling you, explain this account. Shankar is a supplier of the goods. Shankar is a supplier. He is called creditor. He is a person from whom we buy the goods on credit. How much purchased from Shankar earlier? 6,000 purchased on 5th July. Out of 6,000 payable, now paid 4,000 paid cash. How much due? 2,000 is due. Out of 2,000 payable, 700 gave the goods back to Shankar because some are defective, we returned them. 700 minus. So then what's the balance? 1,300 is payable to Shankar. Shankar's account showing what balance? Tell me.
Credit balance.
That means he is a creditor. Shankar is a creditor. Creditor is a person to whom business has to pay. Understood? Shankar is a person to whom business has to pay. That's it. He is a credit. Shankar's account showing a credit balance. Next one. Personal accounts, same తీసుకున్నాం. Godrej company account you take. Next one. Godrej company. Only I am selecting a few accounts. You have to prepare all the accounts at home. I am telling you. You have to spend more time on learning. I will show you another account. Godrej company. Godrej company account. Left side is debit side. Right side is credit side. Godrej company account. Okay. Now, look at here. Godrej company account. Now tell me wherever the word Godrej company account appears.
Personal account.
July 4th.
July 4th. We have purchased furniture on July 4th. What is the entry recorded there?
Furniture account.
Furniture account debtor to Godrej company account.
Godrej company account is debited or credited?
Credited.
How much amount?
15,000.
15,000.
Write 15,000 on credit side. Record 15,000 on credit side. On what day it happened? 2016, July 4th, by, you have to write the other part of it, by furniture account. Furniture account 15,000. Clear? So entry is furniture account attached to Godrej company account 15,000. That's it. Over. So next one.
10th July.
Godrej account debtor to cash account.
10th.
We have paid to Godrej company.
Debited.
On 10th July, we have paid the money. Entry is Godrej company account debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited.
So Godrej company account was debited with rupees 15,000. I am writing on debit side 15,000. 15,000. It happened on 2016 July 10th to cash account. To cash account 15,000. Is there any word Godrej company anywhere referred in the problem anywhere?
No, sir.
No. So one time purchase, the amount is paid. Now close it. Which side is more?
Debit side.
Both sides equal.
Debit side is more or credit side is more?
Both equal, sir.
Both are equal. So that means account is set to be settled. Both these sides are equal means neither receivable nor payable to Godrej. What type of account? Godrej company. What type of account? Real account, personal account or non account?
Personal.
Personal account, sir.
Personal.
Godrej company account is a personal account. Right? We have furniture purchased for 15,000. We have paid 15,000, no dues. No dues. Somebody is disturbing. Some child is coming into the system. Child, you are giving the cell phone to the child to operate it. Don't be childish. Be serious. Very bad. Can you leave it? Godrej company account showing a no balance. It shows no balance means both these sides are equal means neither receivable from Godrej company nor payable to Godrej company. Because the amount is settled. When account shows no balance means it is settled. Neither receivable nor payable. When it comes to Shankar's account, look here. When it comes to Shankar, it is also a personal account. But it is showing a credit balance of 1300. It's showing a credit balance of 1300. What does it mean? Shankar is a creditor to the business. Creditor, and this is the person to whom we have to pay. That's it. Example. Okay. Next one, I will take a personal account showing debit balance. I will draw one showing debit. Tell me.
We have a class
No,
11.
up to 12 o'clock, class will continue. Don't worry. Up to
Yes, sir.
12 o'clock, there is a change
So
in
we
the
have English
timetable
class
today.
at 11:30.
11:30 class will not take place. It is at 12 o'clock English class will commence. The time is extended by half an hour today. There is a internal
English class is
circulation.
already over, sir.
It is
Whatever that
yesterday link, sir. Yesterday.
I don't know. Up to 12 o'clock, I am going to engage your class.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Up to 12 o'clock, my class will continue. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Okay, sir.
Next one, I will take up another account, a personal account that shows a debit balance. I will take Ramesh account. Look at Ramesh account. Ramesh account. Right? So I will write Ramesh account next. Don't bother the timings. Focus on learning. We know the limitations. I know where to start, when to start, where to stop. Right? So you have to concentrate on learning. That's it. Next class. If time permits, I ask the teacher to wait. I will continue my class. So that class may be taken up later.
Sir, 11:30 class లేదు సార్ నిన్న అడితే సార్ ఆ లింక్
అయి ఉండొచ్చు. No problem.
Sir, it is అది
It was yesterday link, sir.
Now write Ramesh account. Write down Ramesh account. I am writing Ramesh. First, Ramesh's account. Credit side. Debit
So
side.
move the camera to the left side, sir.
I will change camera. Okay. Now,
Okay,
Ramesh
Yes, sir.
account. Okay. Now tell me wherever the word, the account, Ramesh account, wherever it was referred in the journal, tell me. Then I will write it.
17th.
On 17th,
Goods sold to Ramesh. Yes, sir.
goods
7.
sold to Ramesh. What is the entry recorded? Ramesh account is debited or credited?
Debit.
debited.
Ramesh account debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited. So 12,000 rupees Ramesh account was debited on 2016 July. Date antama July?
17th.
17th.
July 17th, Ramesh account was debited with rupees 12,000 to sale of goods account. Sale of goods ana sales ana tappలేదు. Sale of goods account. It is 12,000. Ramesh is a receiver, so his account is debited. Followed? Ramesh is the receiver of the benefit. His account is debited. 12,000 receivable. That means we have to receive from Ramesh rupees 12,000 for selling the goods on credit. Later, cheppandi. Wherever what happened, Ramesh, we have paid
23rd.
cash 8,000. On July
23rd,
20th,
sir.
July
23rd.
23rd, okay. July 23rd, we have paid to Ramesh 8,000. Ramesh account debited or credited?
Credited, sir.
Ramesh account credited with what amount? Credited with
8,000.
rupees
8,000.
8,000. So now look here, Ramesh account is credited with rupees 8,000. So 8,000 is credited. On what date? 2016, July. Date is 23rd. Whatever the date,
Yes,
don't
sir.
bother much about. Whatever the date, write the corresponding date. Credit side, we start with the buy, BY buy. By cash. By cash account 8,000. So it is entered. Over. Next one. Next one, what happened? Ramesh returned goods 1,000 on 27th. On 27th, Ramesh returned goods. What is the entry recorded on 27th? Look at sales returns account debtor to Ramesh account on 27th. Look here. Is it right? Hello?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
On 27th, goods were returned by Ramesh. The entry is sales returns account debtor to Ramesh account. Ramesh account is credited. So Ramesh account is credited with rupees 1,000 on 27th by sales returns account. Sales returns account 1,000. So there ends the problem. Now there are no other items. So tell me which side is more? Debit side is 12,000 total.
Debit side
Credit side total is 9,000. It is
9,000.
more on the debit side. 12,000 right on both the sides in the amount column. In the amount column, write 12,000. That is the maximum on both the sides. The gap is 3,000 short on credit side. This is called balance. This is known as balance carried down. Balance carried down. This is end of the month. We close it, the accounts. On that day, the Ramesh account showing a debit balance of 3,000. That will be carried down to the next month. That is August 1st. To balance brought down is 3,000. So it means Ramesh account showing what balance? Ramesh account showing what balance?
Debit balance.
Debit balance
3,000
means
debit
debtor.
balance.
That's it. Debtors account show debit balance. Followed. Debtors account show debit balance means receivable. Look here, Ramesh, we sold goods for 12,000. Out of 12,000, we have collected 8,000. So 4,000 still receivable. Out of 4,000, 1,000 he returned the goods. 4,000 minus 1,000, still 3,000 we have to collect from Ramesh. Common sense. 1,000 we sold on credit. We have to get 12,000 rupees from Ramesh. Out of 12,000, he paid 8,000 one time. On 23rd, he paid 8,000. So 4,000 is the balance. Out of 4,000, 1,000 goods returned. Goods returned by Ramesh is 1,000. So still we have to get 3,000 due from Ramesh. That is carried down, brought down. So debit side is more, it's a debit balance. Totally which side is more than the balance of the account. So carried down is on the shortage side. Carried down is on shortage side. That will go to the next date, carried to the next month. That is August 1st. The Ramesh account showing a debit balance of rupees 3,000. So he is a debtor. So personal account may show debit balance or credit balance. If personal account shows a debit balance, he is a debtor. If personal account shows a credit balance, he is a creditor. That's it. Personal account may show debit balance or credit balance. Personal account showing debit balance means they are debtors. Personal account showing credit balance is creditors. That's it. Over. So next, I can't prepare all the accounts. Then after preparing all ledger accounts, what you have to do is, there must be balance and we prepare a trial balance. I will show you trial balance. I will end the class today. I will show you the trial balance. So I want every student prepare all accounts. I am writing all accounts which I have prepared. Work out at home. Prepare a trial balance. So trial balance రాసుకోండి, ఒక సెంటెన్స్ రాసుకోండి. Trial balance is a summary of ledger accounts. Trial balance is a summary of ledger accounts. Summary of ledger accounts on a given date. This question I am going to give you for what is trial balance. I will ask a question in the internal assessment test. I will place one question for you.
Repeat once again.
Trial balance is a summary of ledger accounts. It is a summary of ledger. Trial balance is a summary of ledger accounts on a given date. Full stop. It is a statement. Not an account. It is a statement, not an account. It is not an account. It is only a statement. On a given date, I am giving you trial balance of TRIAL. Trial balance of Mr. Ganesh. Trial balance of Mr. Ganesh as on 31st July 2016. Trial balance of, I am giving a statement. What statement? A trial balance of Mr. Ganesh as on 31st July 2016. That is the last day. I am giving you on that day what is Shankar balance. On 31st July, Shankar account showing a credit balance of 1300. On that day, Godrej is not there. Other accounts are showing. I will write the format. It is like statement, can be prepared as you like it. Now, draw a line.
Sir.
First, name of the account. First column is name of account. Name of account. Next column is debit. Next column is credit. It is not an account. Be careful. It is not an account. It is a statement of various accounts. How many accounts? There may be 19 or 20 accounts are there in this problem. There are about 19 or 20 accounts you have to prepare. A few of them I have already prepared. Remaining you have to prepare at home. I will write one by one. So first column is meant for name of the account. You have prepared one accounts now. What account you have prepared? First check. Let me know. Yesterday we have prepared cash account. Yesterday we have prepared. Cash account showing what balance yesterday? Tell me.
Opening balance.
Cash.
Debit balance.
How much?
40,000.
30.
25,000.
25,500, sir.
Balance. Look at cash account. 25,500 is the balance. Balance brought down. Ekkadundi? Debit side unda, credit side unda? Which side?
Credit side, sir.
Carried down is not the balance. Which side total is more? Debit total is, it is a debit balance rupees. Debit rupees 25,500 is showing a debit balance. right in the debit column. Followed? The balance is 25,500, cash account showing a debit balance of 25,500. Next one. Next, what account I have prepared? Purchase of goods, capital
Ganesh
rather.
capital account.
Yesterday I prepared Ganesh capital account. Ganesh capital account. Yesterday I prepared now. Ganesh capital account showing what balance? 40,000.
Credit balance.
So write in the credit column. Ganesh capital account showing a credit balance, right in the credit column. Followed? That's it. So if a account shows debit balance, write in the debit column. First column we write the name of the account. Next column is debit and credit. This is the format of a trial balance.
Sir,
In the
can you
university
move
exam,
the
no
board.
camera.
Okay.
Board ఏముంది నాకైతే క్లియర్ గానే ఉందిరా.
It side, sir. Right. Okay. Okay, sir, clear.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Now Ganesh capital account prepared. It is showing a credit balance, right in the credit column. If shows a debit balance, right in the debit column. That's it. Okay. Next one. Purchase of goods account. Purchase of goods account. Showing what balance? Just now prepared now.
Credit balance.
22 debit balance.
22,000.
22,000 you record in the debit column because it is showing a debit balance. Followed? It is showing a debit balance, so 22,000 debit column. Next one. Sale of goods account.
Debited
Sale of
25,000.
credit balance 25,000. Credit balance rupees 25,000. Okay. Next one.
Shankar
I have.
account.
What is the Shankar's account I have prepared? Shankar.
Debited, credited
Shankar's
6,000.
account showing a debit balance of debit or credit?
Credit.
Shankar. It is showing a credit balance of 13,000. So write 1,300 in the credit column. 1,300 rupees in the credit column. Next one.
Godrej
Godrej company account showing no balance, we don't write. An account showing no balance, neither debit balance nor credit balance, we don't write Godrej company account. Don't write it. Godrej company account. Because zero balance, it is a zero, balance is zero. Difference is zero. Debit total also 15,000, credit total also 15,000. Hence, it is zero balance. So I will write systematically one after the other. Next one.
Ramesh.
Stationery. Next one is Ramesh.
Ramesh account.
Ramesh account.
Debited 3,000.
Ramesh account. How much?
Debited 3,000.
3,000 is a debit balance, right in the debit column. Debit column. Over. Next one. I will read one after the other. It is, I will go through the text problem, and because of the salaries, wages, I have not prepared any. So you have to prepare at home. Now I will read one after the other. Stationery account, stationery expenditure, stationery expenses account. It is a debit balance. Stationery, it is rupees 500. 500 a debit balance. Credit column dash. Next one. It is wages account. Wages account. It is showing a balance of 800. Is an expenditure, so debit balance. Only one posting. Wages only once we have paid, it is showing only one time it is recorded. You have to prepare at home. I'm telling you, all accounts, if I prepare, it may take 2-3 classes. I don't want to waste the time like that. You have to do it. If you don't know, you have to prepare it. Next, Naresh account. Naresh. Naresh account. Naresh is a We purchased goods from Naresh for 10,000. It is a credit balance. Credit balance, Naresh account showing a credit balance. Yesterday I asked you, requested you, please prepare the accounts and చెప్పారు మీరు చేసిన వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Next one, rent received account. Rent received account. It is a income. Rent received is a income. 1,800 is a credit balance. So write in the credit column. Next one.
Service account.
Ganesh drawings account. Ganesh drawings. He has taken some money for his personal use. Ganesh drawings account.
700.
What balance? 600. He has taken 600 for his personal use. It is 600 taken by Ganesh for personal use. It is a receiver. Ganesh is the receiver. So his account shows debit balance. Debit balance. Next one. Next one is furniture account. Furniture account. 15,000. We have purchased furniture from Godrej company. It is 15,000. So it is a asset. So debit balance. Asset, debit balance. Next one. Purchase returns account. Purchase returns account. Purchase returns are 700. Purchase returns are 700. A debit balance. Sales returns. Sales returns account. It shows a credit balance of rupees 1,000. Credit balance of 1,000. Next one. It is printing already taken up. Printing expenses. Printing is called printing.
No,
Next
sir.
one is printing expenses account. Printing expenses account. It is rupees 900. Printing expenses account. Expenditure, so debit. Next one.
Salaries account.
Salaries account. You have to write all accounts. There is no order. You may write early or late also, no problem, but you have to write that account. Salaries. You may get a doubt, sorry. Which one you have to write first? No problem. You can write
Sir,
anywhere.
purchase returns credited, sir, 700.
Purchase return credit balance.
Purchase returns is a debit balance.
Credit.
Sorry. Purchase returns kada. Purchase.
Credit, sir.
Purchase returns. Purchases are debit balance. Purchase returns are credit balance. Right. This is sales returns is a debit balance. Right. You are right. Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So, purchase returns is 700 is credit balance. Sales returns rupees 1,000 kadra. Sales returns.
1,000.
Sales returns 1,000 is debit balance. So next one is printing expenses 900. Debit balance is expenditure debit balance. Next one is printing salaries 3,500. Salaries 3,500 a debit balance. Salaries 3,500 a debit balance. Next. Sundar account.
Sundar's account.
Sundar. From Sundar we have purchased. Sundar's account we have purchased goods on credit from Sundar. It is 4,000. It is credit balance. Credit balance. Next one. After Sundar.
Computer.
Computer. Salary is already recorded. Computer account. We have purchased a computer is an asset. Computer is an asset.
Debit.
It is
5,000.
debit, 5,000 debit balance. Assets are debit balance. I will tell you after. Computer is
Ravi's
over.
account.
Computer is over.
Ravi.
Next one is
Ravi's account.
Ravi's account.
Ravi's account.
Ravi's account. Ravi account is showing a debit balance of 5,000. 5,000, it shows a debit balance. Ravi, we sold goods on credit to Ravi. Ravi's account. The next one is Shankar Rasam kada. Shankar is over. And
Yes,
Ravi.
sir, 19.
Okay. Almost all are over. One. Somebody is playing now. Keep my voice is bouncing back. My voice is bouncing back. Keep your audio off. Mute.
Yes, sir.
Somebody voice again coming back. My voice is coming back. Don't miss you. చెప్తే ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా కూడా మీకు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలా. ఎవరైనా ఉంటే ఆ నెంబర్ నాకు ఇవ్వండి, వాడిని ఇంటికి వచ్చి తంతా పడేసి. రాస్కాలిటీకి నో ప్లేస్ అమ్మా. చదువు ఇష్టం లేకపోతే పుట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫోన్, మంచిగా ఎక్కడైనా పని చేయండి, సర్వీస్ చేయండి ఎవరికైనా. ఆ హాస్పిటల్లో ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోయి కాళ్ళు చేతులు ఇరిగిన వాళ్ళకి కట్లు కట్టండి, హాస్పిటల్లో టాయిలెట్లు అవన్నీ బాత్రూమ్లు అని కడగండి. నేను అదే పనిష్మెంట్ ఇస్తా ఎవరికైనా. ఇస్తే పనిష్మెంట్. ఒక హాస్పిటల్కి పోయి కాళ్ళు చేతులు ఇరిగిపోయిన వాళ్ళు, పాపం కుటుంబాలు నాశనం అయిపోయి యాక్సిడెంట్లో చచ్చిపోయిన వాళ్ళు, వీళ్ళంతా శవాల దగ్గర ఉంటారు కదా, మా అందులో పెడితే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది జీవితం ఏంటనేది. అమ్మ నాన్న అన్నం పెడుతుంటే దున్నపోతులాగా, అమ్మ మంచిగా అన్నం పెట్టి నాన్న డబ్బులు ఇస్తే దున్నపోతులాగా బాగా తయారై చదువు లేదు సంజయ్ లేకుండా తయారు కాకండి. నేను అదే క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో అయితే లాగి తన్నేవాడిని. Now right. Ravi's account 5,000 is a debit balance. Ravi is a receiver of the benefit. We sold goods on credit. Any accounts వచ్చిన 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 accounts. Godrej 20. So 19 accounts only showing balance. You have to write 19 వచ్చిన చూడండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's it. Now total debit and credit, you make the total.
82,800.
82,800. Credit also 82,800. It should be 800. That's it. So that means I am telling you, this is up to 12 o'clock, madam. Class undi naaku. Up to 12 o'clock, class will continue because there is a change in the timing today. Up to 12 o'clock. Whether I don't know whether it is 12 already. No.
3 minutes are there, sir.
Okay. Now I'll come. Okay. Now I am telling you. Now clear accounting cycle I told you earlier. For
Yes,
preparation
sir.
of for preparation of trial balance, we have to prepare. We have to anyhow accountancy. The culmination point. We have to prepare financial statements. That is profit and loss account, balance sheet. How you do? Question is, first transactions are to be identified. Each transaction has a debit and credit. This is stage 1. After that, you have to write them in the journal. Journal is a book where you write entries. After writing the entries, we prepare ledger accounts, ledger posting. It's called ledger posting. After it is posted into the respective accounts in the ledger, all accounts are balanced. That balances are drafted in the form of a statement. A trial balance is a statement, not an account. It's a summary of ledger accounts. All ledger accounts are named there. Followed? All ledger accounts are named there. There are 19 referred here. All 19. Of course, Godrej company is not referred because it shows no balance. So all accounts are recorded and the totals must match. Why totals must match? Every entry what we have done is debit equals to credit. That is the reason. Sum of the total debits are exactly equal to the sum of total credits. That's it. That is the reason why your trial balance agrees. From trial balance, we prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. From
Yes,
trial
sir.
balance, we prepare already first year accountancy, commerce students kada.
Sir,
You worked
in
out
inter-
final accounts kada. Intermediate lo final accounts jela first year.
Yes,
Prepare
sir.
profit and loss. What is
Profit
given
Sir,
to
trading
you?
yes, sir.
A trial balance is given to you. Trial balance is a source. From trial balance, we prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. Of course, some adjustments will be given for outstanding items. Certain items needs to be taken care. So some adjustments will be given for that. So that's it. From this trial balance, we prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. That is the end of our financial account. Because we have taken only limited number of transactions. In a business, there may be hundreds, thousands of transactions, which you have to work it out. Tomorrow, I will speak on trial balance is not over. Tomorrow, I will give notes on trial balance.
Yes,
Notes
sir.
on trial balance. I will stop here and we meet in the next class. Okay? Next class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Now you prepare all accounts. I am asking you prepare all the accounts. That's it. Okay. See.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
when you tell
Thank you, sir.
subsidy books,
Which one?
subsidiary books.
Subsidiary books we go after this.
Okay, sir.
We have two more before going to
Okay.
subsidiary books. We have two topics to
Yes, sir.
teach you. One is
BRS.
GST. The another one is uh, accounting equation. These two things are to be completed before I take
Okay,
up subsidiary books. Okay. We may go slowly in the initially. Once after 1 month, after January, February, we move at a faster rate, like a train. Pick up time. No, it takes less
sir.
time.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
move faster. Okay.
సార్ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీలో ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది సార్ ఒకటి
ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ టీచర్ వస్తున్నారేమో నాకు సిస్టమ్ మీద నాకు పంపించు నీకు రిప్లై చెప్తా
ఓకే సార్
నా ఫోన్ లో పంపించు నేను రిప్లై చేస్తా బికాస్ వీ
Yes.
కాంట్ హోల్డ్ ద ఎంటైర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కమ్యూనిటీ ఓకే లీవ్ ఇట్ సో థ్యాంక్ యూ విల్ సీ యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
165 present, sir.
Thank you, sir.
हेलो नेक्स्ट कौन सा क्लास है